I will present you the Pantsir SMD-E very short-range ADMS, which is designed for air defense of small-sized military, administrative and industrial facilities and areas from massive use of air attack weapons. Aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, including rotary wing, cruise-guided and anti-radiation missiles, as well as single rockets of multiple rocket launch systems. The ADMS consists of a combat module, an RLS-OE surveillance radar, two types of missiles, up to 12 57E6E SAMs or up to 48 TKB-1055 SAMs or their combination in the ratio of 4:1, as well as maintenance and training facilities. The combat module is designed to destroy air attack weapons. It provides autonomous detection, automatic tracking, firing at air targets, and evaluation of firing results. The combat module is capable of detecting air targets at the range of up to 30 kilometers using airspace surveillance radar and destroying them using 57E6E SAM at the range of 1.2 to 20 kilometers and altitudes of from 15 meters to 15 kilometers, or TKB-1055 SAM at the range of from 500 meters to 7 kilometers and altitude of from 15 meters to 5 kilometers. In addition, the combat module is equipped with optical electronic system designed to carry out airspace reconnaissance on the operator's commands, to visually assess the air and ground situation, and consisting of a thermal imaging module and television camera. The multifunctional millimeter band radar with the phased antenna array is capable of simultaneously tracking 4 air targets and guiding 4 missiles. A separate module of the RLS-OE surveillance radar can be supplied together with the combat module. It is designed to detect air attack weapons, automatically track them, determine their nationality, and issue target designation to combat module. When using the RLS-OE radar, the detection zone increases up to 100 kilometers, and at the same time, the ADMS acquires the ability to destroy air targets flying at the speeds of up to 1000 meters per second. Thus, the Pantsir SMD-E ADMS has a number of advantages: a large ammunition load of SAMs, the ability to autonomously use combat modules, control from a remote operator's workstation, ensuring interaction with external sources of information on jamming and target environment, and combat operation when placed in various buildings and structures at any time of the day and in any weather conditions.